Hello everyone. In this tutorial we will learn about Laravel Bootstrap and how to create login and a registration form. Okay. So the first one you will know how to install Bootstrap with the latest version in Laravel, and also you know how to create login and a registration form using Bootstrap authentication scaffolding. And you can test Bootstrap in our blade templates and also migrate database table and test login and register user. Okay, so now let's go together. So here is my step to do it. You can see here I will share this code below my videos in my channel, so you can see here is my source code in GitHub. So the first one, you need to create the Laravel project. You can create by Composer, create projects Laravel like this. This is the command to create Laravel projects by using Composer. In here, this command is also create the Laravel project also if you install the Laravel installers, you can use this command. Okay, so in this case I have installed Laravel installer, so I just use this command. My project name is uh, Laravel 9. I write in short L9 Bootstrap. So just copy this, go to terminal. I want to create my project in dry C, so I go to cd dry C. Okay, so I pass in here and enter it. Okay, publishing is complete. Now I use Visual Studio Code to develop this project, so I need to open it. This is my default project, so I need to open the project that I have created. You can go to file and open the folders. I go to dry C, L9 Bootstrap. Okay, you choose it and open these folders. Yes, okay, this is our project. And now we move to another step. Get inside the L9. It means that get inside our project, and then by type like this, cd L9 Bootstrap. Okay. In the command room, you can use the command like that to switch the path to your project. But in this case, I use Visual Code to develop, and in Visual Code we have terminal in here. So I just click on terminal and new terminal. I use command in this. So it by default it will switch to our project. Okay, it will be inside the project. See our project, and you can write command in here. Okay. So now we move to number 2. Install Laravel UI. So what does it mean? Laravel UI is an official library that offers the selective or predefined UI component. Okay. Laravel UI package comes with the login and registration scaffolding. So this is the Laravel UI that you can create login form and registration form. It is easy for you. You just run the command and you get the login and registration form. And in here you can run for install Laravel UI by using Composer and require Laravel UI. Just copy these comments, copy this, and go to our project in here, pass it. Yes, you just enter it, it will install automatically. So you need the internet. If you don't have the internet, you cannot download and install it. So publishing is complete. We move to another step, number 3. Install Bootstrap in Laravel. This is the step that we install the Bootstrap, and the first one we install Laravel UI for login and registration form. So now we start to install Bootstrap. So we have installed successfully Laravel UI package using Composer. Now in this step we will understand how to easily install Bootstrap. This is not Bootstrap 4. When we install by using the command like this, it will uh, it will get the latest version for our project. Let me change this, not force. Okay, we can say latest. Yes. Okay, and using the following. Okay, so you can use this command to install Bootstrap. Just copy this and go to our terminal here, pass it and enter it. So successfully, and then we go to another step. Number 4, install Bootstrap authentication scaffolding. This is the authentication to check the user authorization. For example, user A, you have right to log into our system or application. Yes, this is how to install that. You can execute by this command. So in here, PHP artisan UI bootstrap authentication. Just copy this and pass. Sorry, I close my command prompt. I go to my project in terminal. Just pass in here, enter it. Yes, successfully. And we move to the next step. We move to number 5. So before we go to number 5, you can see here we have successfully installed the Bootstrap, and you can make sure by going to resource, JS Bootstrap. You will see that proper.js and jQuery. Okay, so you can check out. So you can go to resource JS, and you can see app and Bootstrap. You will have Zaf. Okay, so this is our installation, and now we move to the next step. Install number 5. Install Bootstrap package. This is we need to install the Bootstrap package into our project. So but before you install the Bootstrap package, you need npm command. So you npm commands, it comes from Node.js. So you need to make sure that you install the Node.js in our PC. So you need to check Node.js. If not, you have installed the Node.js, and then you can run the npm command. Okay, so in the previous video, I show you already about how to install Node.js, and you will go to see more detail in my previous video. Okay, so you can test by npm minor v. You check that you have installed or not. Okay, but in this case, I have installed already. So we move to install Bootstrap package. You just go to npm install. In here is the command. Copy it, and we go to our project in here, pass in here and enter it. So let me open it bigger. Yeah, please wait a moment in here. Okay, so now that finish. We move to the next steps. Here we go to compile assets. Okay, as we can see, resource slash folder variable dot scf and add file have add along with self variable, so you can check in the resource folder. You will see this. Okay, you can check. We go to our projects and we go to the resource. We go to just and add. Okay, you can see is the variable that we mentioned in here. And now we have to run the command below for asset compilation. So we need to run npm run dev for development and run production in here for production. Okay, so let me run for both of commands. Let me go to our project and click on this and run it again. Okay, that finished. We run one more command. That finished. So the about command compile CSF and JavaScript file from resource JF and resource ZAF folder. So automate ZAF or JF chain. You can use run this command when it means that if we are lazy and don't want to run npm run dev every time, you make change in ZAF. You should use the following command. I mean that if you don't want to run every chain in ZAF file or let me in here in ZAF file, you need to run this. Okay, so every chain in ZAF file it will automatically detect it. Okay, so but in this case I just need to run only run that for development. Okay, so we move to another step. Here is the using Bootstrap Laravel blade templates. Okay, so this is my shortcode and you can go to our project and run our project together again. So php artisan self, let me manage this and open it. Okay, so this is our project. So now let me go to change in home. You can see here is the resource. Here is the home. Here is the welcome page. Okay, so I need to use a Bootstrap. So you can go to my projects again. Here is my example elements for using Bootstrap in blade template. I just delete all of this. Okay, just keep only body in here. This color I don't need it, and I pass my code in here. Okay, let me save it and refresh it. So the Bootstrap is not working properly. We need to import something. So let me, how do we import? Let me check in here how could be. This is extend layout. Okay, we need to import both of file in here. The first one is assets app.js and app.csf. Okay, so let me copy this. Okay, I will delete this after. So I go to welcomes page, and then I just put in here. Okay, just put it in here. And sorry, maybe something wrong. Okay, let me delete this. Okay, you can put also, it's not problem. Font, okay, we have it already about. No, it's okay, so we just put in this, save it and refresh. So you can see is the proper using the CSS. So you can use more in the CSS style. You can go to getbootstrap.com in here, and you will see, you click on document and you can see many layout in here. If you want to use a grid, you can click on it and you can see how to design the grid in here. Okay, so now it's time to test about registration form. So you want to test the registration form, you can check here. We go to the route, route in here, web.php, and you can see is home, and we will call the built-in login form. So let me have in here. So okay, so this is login form, and you can register in here. You click on this. Okay, so in this we did not connect to the database yet, so we need to connect it to the database. So let me check in our connection. Yes, env. So my database is okay, you can change, but in this case I want to create a new database. I copy this and I don't want to change anything. But but in practice you can use the existing database you want, right? So let me start. Okay, I start already and go to my here's php my admin. Wait a moment, I create a new one. Yes, I create one database. So we have the database L9 Bootstrap. So this is right. So I need to run migration for generate the table, because when we generate the Laravel project, we will have the default migration file. We go to in here, database and migration, and we have the user migration, and we also need to run all of the folders. Okay, so now I need to run migration first. PHP artisan migrate. Okay, run it. Now you can see here and go to our database in here, check it. Okay, you can see we have a table in here. Let me refresh. Okay, and you can see here's the table of user. So now I need to register it. Okay, I need to register it. You go to our application, we go to register first. I need to put admin, and admin at gmail.com, and password 1234567. Okay, confirm it. That's right, and now I'll register it. Yes, it's success. You can see here, and we log in as an admin. So you can check in the database in here. Okay, you can see it have the record in here. So now I try to log in by this. Let me go to home again, and you can log in here, admin at gmail.com, and the password 1234567. Okay, you can log in it. That's correct. So in this login form, you can customize also. Okay, you can change the bootstrap or something that you want. Okay, so you can practice by yourself. That's all for my presentation about how to install Bootstrap and how to use a login and register form. If you have any question, you can ask me in my video and comment in my comment box. So thank you for watching.